The State Road Safety Council, in its last meeting, chaired by Honorable Transport Minister, has decided that in order to break the year-long wait for Road Safety Week, the year-long waiting period for Road Safety Week, which is normally celebrated in first week of January, we must have or celebrate State Road Safety Week. And accordingly, from 1st August 2011 to 6th August 2011 will be the first Goa State Road Safety Week. And the State Road Safety Week will be inaugurated by Honorable Transport Minister on 1st at 10:30 am at KTC Terminus, Panji. At the same time, a road safety information bus specially equipped with audiovisual system and various other banners and posters to educate people on road safety awareness. Now, for these first 6 days, the program of the bus will be on first in Panjim, in and around Panjim. That is, it will start at Kadamba bus stand, then it will move to Miramar Circle, then in the evening it will be near Mary Immaculate and Marketplace. Okay. Then on 2nd it will start from Margam Municipal Council, will be moved to Kare College, then to Gogol, and finally at KTCL bus stand. On 3rd, it will start from Ponda Old bus stand, that is Indira Market, move on to Fonda Tisk, then Bandorkar building, and last at KTC bus stand. 4th, it will start at Mormugao Council. Copies. Then it will move to Chikhaling Junction, MPT Junction, and KTCL bus stand. On 5th, the program is at Mapsa. The inaugural program will be at taxi stand. Then it will move to Mapsa Court area. Then Altino College, and in the evening at KTCL bus stand. And on 6th, the bus will start at KTCL bus stand Bicholi. Then it will move to Shantadurga School, then Chhatrapati Maidan, and then we'll come to KTCL bus stand, Asnoda. Once this week is over, further this particular bus will move to different villages. So the main aim is to bring in awareness amongst general public regarding road safety. On the inaugural day, we will also publish a small booklet giving information regarding road accidents, international scenario, road accidents, Indian scenario, and road accidents, Goan scenario. And as far as Goan scenario is concerned, we have given stress on the statistics of road accidents for last 10 years. Then deaths on road accidents, deaths due to road accidents. And different accident prone places for the information of general public. So that they can be cautious while driving in those areas. The theme of the Road Safety Week would be follow traffic rules, save lives. Traffic rules, save life. In the second phase, after completion of this week, we will move on to colleges and schools. Wherein in colleges we would like to create certain traffic signages, certain areas with traffic signages, and also creating some of the speed breakers, zebra crossings, etc., so that the college going students, they understand the importance of it. Secondly, by involving all 88 higher secondaries in the state, we would like to conduct a sample survey regarding road safety awareness amongst general public. A questionnaire with about 50 questions on road safety will be given to these NSS volunteers, and the survey shall be conducted by them within next 4 months. Third thing, in higher secondary, that they in education department they have something called as super school complexes. Yeah. So we are giving them a bunch of activities, a bank of activities will be sent to this super school complexes and secondary schools also, which is like having road safety poster competition. It could be road safety jingle competition, road safety essay competition, then road safety street play, etc. And the department will provide them some financial assistance also to organize such programs if they volunteer to.